Hi there, I'm Greg Watson. I want to talk to you about a keynote speech I'll be delivering at the Indian Productivity Summit next month in December. The subject will be Managing Breakthrough Change for Productivity and Profit. We'll talk about the current disruptive changes that digital technology is bringing to bear and the impact it will have and how you might be able to use some of this breakthrough technology to your advantage. We'll talk about these current technologies that you might want to consider, and I'll go through a case study that I was involved in the digitization of an injection molding machine shop. And we'll talk about then how that might apply to some of your organizations. We'll also discuss some lessons learned from the previous activities where organizations have gone through applications of robotics. And finally, we'll talk about recommendations for embracing digital technology shifts. I hope to see you in December